Hey everyone, this is Katarina, and I just found another tool that we can use. But this one, I would say if you're going to use it, do the upgrade, okay? And here's the reason why. It does photo to coloring page. So if you wanted to do a specific coloring page with your child in it, or your dog in it, or whatever it is that you want, this will be able to do it. Now, I've been searching for a free tool that will do this, and none of them are that great. I mean, you end up with these weird lines in the faces, and it's not good. This one works really well. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in another video. But if you are interested in doing photo to coloring page, this is a tool that I recommend, ColoringBook.AI. Go ahead, and if that's something you want to do, get the account. You don't have to. You can use the other two tools that I've shown you, but this is specifically for photo to coloring pages. All right? I'll see you in the next video.